Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to duplicate image in Pixlr 2024. So in Pixlr, duplicate image, there's two ways. The first way is by copying it, as you see there, copy, Control C, then pasting it by clicking Control V, and there you go. So you duplicate an image. But if you want to duplicate an image specifically on one area, here's what you need to do. As you can see on the left, go to the left and find this tool, clone, click on it. Then as you can see, there's what we call source. So once you click any area of the apple, for example here, it will start there. I'm gonna give you an example so you will understand what I'm saying. Let's start with the leaf. Click the leaf. I click the leaf, it went from source to paint. Because we already got it to source. Then let's left click and it started from the leaf. I can do the apple. Go. That's duplicating. Let's try it one more time. But now we're gonna adjust its size. And you can adjust its size if you want in softness and steps. Right now we're just gonna adjust the size. Make it 40. There we go. And let's click source to do that again. And choose an area right here. Right now I'm gonna choose the bottom right. The bottom right. Then left click. You can see there's a black crosshair there. And there you go. Start from the bottom right. There you go. As you can see, that's how you do it. So remember, click on the source. After clicking on source, click which part of the apple you want to copy or duplicate. Then after clicking that, it will switch to paint. And once it's on paint, wherever you click on the source, that will be its start point. And there you go. I hope you guys liked the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.